In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize header and footer in WordPress with Elementor. By the end, you'll have the right setup so you can control your site's header and footer with Elementor instead of relying only on your theme. Start by opening your WordPress website and signing into the dashboard. Everything we do happens right here. If you already use Elementor for pages, you're in great shape. If not, this process simply prepares WordPress so Elementor can handle your header and footer layout without touching your theme files. Next, look to the left-hand menu and click Plugins. Choose Add New, then use the search bar to find Elementor header and footer. When it appears, click Install, and after installation, click Activate. Activation is what tells WordPress to load the plugin and let it control the header and footer areas in a clean, safe way. When activation completes, go back to the plugin screen and open Installed Plugins. Find Elementor header and footer in the list and click Settings. This is an important step because every theme structures its header and footer a little differently, and these settings decide how the plugin integrates with your specific theme. Inside Settings, open Theme Support. Here you'll see a method option. This controls how WordPress renders your header and footer through Elementor. Some themes work best with the default method, while others need an alternative to prevent conflicts like duplicate headers or missing menus. If you're unsure, start with the recommended or default method. It's designed to work with most popular themes right away. After choosing the method, click Save Changes. Saving locks in your selection and applies it site-wide. If you skip this, your settings won't take effect, so make sure you see the confirmation before leaving the page. That's the entire setup. From now on, your site is ready to have the header and footer designed and managed with Elementor. If you don't see the header or footer display as expected, simply return to theme support and try a different method. Switching methods is safe and quick. As a quick tip, clear any caching plugins or your browser cache when testing, and make sure no other header or footer plugin is active at the same time. To recap, you signed in, went to plugins, installed and activated Elementor header and footer, opened its settings, selected theme support, chose your method, and saved. You're now ready to build consistent on-brand headers and footers using Elementor's design tools.